When there's changes in the universe, emotions that move our minds, so strange a riddle to solve. No way out but be humble like a child. Then the light of dawn will radiantly glow as an organ of the Holy Spirit, awakening that will win through a rose to hail on Aquarian age. Peace to all you uphold, thoughtful in backing us. You push us to rightful mind, the true faith if only we believed. Hold together, not to break, a seal to face the battle of fears. All in genuine love we can beat our foes, those deceived by the father of all lies. Erroneous beliefs are gone. Those roads will wipe away. Your apparitions are parables of today. Start to be inspired by God's light with authentic visions, a mystic. Time to reveal your true identity, not to harm us when your voice comes. For you are the mother, so good and true. We will party every day, glad as the bearer of light, a new direction for everyone. The Dead Sea Scrolls is now found. Usher all to the highway of life. Strong suit, a big head for us will cut the audience worldwide. You're indeed the mother of all truth. You're the only one who cared for us to be like Jesus Christ and reach seventh heaven, God of grand haven, to be in your sanctuary everlastingly, a discovery of mysteries so deep not to ignore by all, since no one can boast in the eyes of the Holy Three. To ignore